So students, we are going to begin a new chapter towards green energy. In previous classes, you have learnt what is energy, what are the different types and forms of energy, how energy can be transformed from one form to the other form. You have learned the different forms of energy like kinetic energy, potential energy, which are forms of mechanical energy. You have learned light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, gravitational potential energy, so many types of energy. In this chapter, our focus is on how we use other forms of energy to generate electrical energy. First, let us define what is energy, right? So, energy is the capacity to do work. Similarly, electric energy is also an energy that has capacity to perform work. In your house, you see so many equipments working on electricity or electric energy. You have your fan, your air conditioners, your ovens, the geysers, so much of equipments running on electricity. In fact, students, energy today, after roti, kapda and makan, energy is now the fourth primary need of mankind. And especially in today's context, electrical energy is very, very important. You can't think of carrying on your day without using electrical energy in one way or the other. So let's focus on electrical energy in this chapter towards green energy. Why it is green energy? Because in this chapter we have a discussion on electricity generation through environmental friendly methods. That is, you will be generating electricity without causing harm to the environment, without polluting the environment. That's why we refer to it as green energy. But besides development of green energy in this chapter, you will also deal with some methods or conventional methods of generating electricity by using non-renewable sources. Nowadays, a lot of efforts are being made to shift electricity generation from non-renewable sources to the more eco-friendly renewable sources like the hydroelectricity power generation systems, the tidal energy using the tides in the sea, then geothermal energy using the energy trapped under the surface of the earth, converting solar energy into electrical energy. These are all eco-friendly ways of generating electricity, which is gaining more and more importance in modern times. So we'll have a look at both renewable sources of energy that are used for generating electricity, how they are generated, what are their advantages, what are their disadvantages, and what is the principle on which these plants using non-renewable energy work. You will also learn about electricity generated by renewable sources. Now in this chapter, we will be having a look at generation of electricity with the help of three non-renewable sources and generation of electricity with the help of three renewable sources. So let's have a look at what we are going to study in this chapter. So students, here I have shown you three ways by which you can generate electricity using non-renewable sources. So the first one is electricity is generated by using thermal energy. That means you have a thermal energy power plant or a thermal power plant which generates electricity by using a fossil fuel coal as the raw material. So in a thermal energy plant, we will see how coal or the chemical energy stored in coal gets converted into electrical energy. You will also be learning about nuclear energy, how nuclear energy is used to generate electricity by using radioactive elements, subjecting them to nuclear fission, thereby generating electricity. Then we will also take up an example how electricity can be produced by using natural gas. So here you can see these two here, coal and natural gas, they are fossil fuels and thus they fall under the category of non-renewable sources of energy. Of course, nuclear energy too falls under the category of non-renewable resources because the reserves of uranium are getting depleted very fast. So the natural resources, uranium gets depleted. So obviously nuclear energy also falls under the category of non-renewable resources. So students, here we are seeing how electricity is being generated by using these three non-renewable resources, mainly thermal energy, nuclear energy and natural gas. So we will now have a look at how electricity is generated by using the renewable sources of energy. So we will have a look at the generation of electricity using some renewable resources. So students, let's have a look at how electricity can be generated by using the renewable sources. In this chapter, you will learn how electricity is generated by using hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric power plants, they use the water or the energy of the water stored in dams to generate electricity. That's why they are called hydro. Hydro means water. So hydroelectricity or hydroelectric energy is converted. Here it is used to generate electricity. Then the energy of the wind, the kinetic energy of wind, when wind moves, it has kinetic energy, or when wind flows, it has kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of the wind can also be used to generate electric energy, and the energy stored or the energy generated by the sun, that is solar energy, is also being used to generate electricity. This is one of the most upcoming ways of generating electricity. A lot of attention is being given to develop cheaper and cheaper ways of harnessing or using solar energy for electricity development. Wind energy also is gaining popularity. Hydroelectricity was popular, still popular, but it has some problems because of the issues involved in construction of dams, which involves large areas of land being submerged. So when we take up hydroelectric power generation, wind energy and solar energy, we look at the plus and the minus of each one of them. All of them have positive things, there's nothing negative. Wind energy, solar energy and hydroelectric energy, these are energy sources which are non-polluting, and therefore we refer to this type of electricity generation or this type of energy as green energy. That's why you have the chapter titled as green energy. The reason is that you are using eco-friendly methods of generating or environmental friendly methods of generating electricity. Some other forms of energy that are used to generate electricity but not discussed, of course, in this chapter are tidal energy. The tides also have kinetic energy. So during high tides and low tides, at some places they have installed equipment where the kinetic energy of tides can be converted into electric energy. Then geothermal energy is the heat energy that is trapped under the surface of the earth. It heats water above it and the water gets converted into the steam. The kinetic energy of the steam is used to operate turbines which are connected to generators to generate electricity. So these are two other important sources or renewable sources of energy. So we'll take up these three one by one as we proceed in our lecture.